Good day, everyone, and welcome to Weekly Trading Ideas. My name is Nenad, and as always, with you, quick, free trading ideas each Monday. I am very proud to tell you that I made more than 50,000 on my account that I've been trading. It's FXDD account, and we have a great track record, fully verified on my FX book. And guys, you can check it here. Now it's even more because we already scale out of a trade that we had. And this is it. We have a total of 400% of profit since December. And you can see that the account is constantly going up from the deposit of 10,000. The first milestone has been reached. And the big milestone, guys, that is 50,000 from 10,000. So I'm very proud of these results. And as always, guys, well, this is what trading is about, to make money, of course. Now, for all of you who want to actually make more than from these webinars, you can sign up for our ECS live service. We are in process of fully redesigning our website, putting it also on a better server, and it will be much better soon, guys. And definitely there will be even more things to see and learn also from our website. You will see it will be a great surprise for all of you. And now for the moment you go to premium services and you go for Camarilla MACD. You can buy the full system, guys. Soon I will only offer three modules: Camarilla MACD Core, London Open Advanced, and Camarilla MACD Scalping, because the success that I have was mostly done by Camarilla MACD, that is traded on 4-hour template, and also ECS Live, where we provide signals and trading ideas. Sign up, guys, for more pips. Okay, now let's move on to trading ideas. I will be quick as always. Before I start, have in mind that forex trading is leverage draw. It can result in losses that exceed your deposits. So please fully ensure that you understand risks involved. Everything you see and hear from me is my personal opinion only. Trading rules are always the same. You can watch previous webinars, pause the screen, and see the rules. Now let's get on to quick trading ideas. Okay, so basically we have the first trading idea that we have is the euro dollar. Of course, I'm going to short the euro dollar, and if the price gets close to 1.0950 to 80, this could be the short, targeting 0.870 or 35. So in between 0.950 and 70. Okay, so 1.0950 to 70 with a stop loss of 110.70, targeting 8.35. So this is basically the euro dollar. And if you traded some of the setups that I presented last week, you saw some nice profits, so that the euro dollar was indeed going down. So I want to see a pullback first towards this level and then a drop. Now we go with the GBP dollar. The GBP dollar is actually, it had a spike, and I'm inclined actually to go long, although this is a bit of it's interesting actually. It could go up, and it went up for a nice spike here. Now it dropped, so I would say 2300 is long, and 2260 is stop loss. So positional buy around 2300. So always give 10-15 pips of a buffer. 2260 is stop loss, and the target for this move is, I'm going to see 2390 probably. Okay, now the No, CAD yen. Now we will go with something else. We will go with let's say the Australian dollar again. The Australian dollar is going down. So this is a short around 67.80. So Australian dollar is positional sell. So let's go once more. 0.68 67.80 68.10 67.80 68.10 towards 67.30 68.80 okay. Stop loss is 0.60 9 10. Let me check quickly if levels are correct. Yeah, it's easier for me to actually watch it on the other monitor here. Okay, so 67.80. Yeah, 67.80. 69 68.10. And the target here is 67.30. Okay, the dollar yen. Here we go. The dollar yen is okay. Dollar yen. Let me check here. This is long at 100 and 107.60. 107.60. This, if it drops, this is long. 107.60, 107.20, and target 108.60. So 60. Okay, 106. Always had a spread, guys, and 15 pips buffer to the both sides. So it can also be a buy around 107.70. So always at it. Okay, so 107.20. And TP is 108.60. Okay, the Bitcoin dollar. Let's see the Bitcoin dollar. Yeah, this is short. Oh, 93 is short. 738 is target. 93 is short. Okay. Position sell. 93.00. Stop loss is 94. 94.00. And TP is 73.80. And finally, gold. Okay, I was watching gold today, and this is going down. Yeah, of course. 15. Oh, what a nice sell here. 15, around 15.10. Now we are going to sell gold. 15.10. 15.15, 50 pip stop loss. Target, guys, is 15.40. Oh, sorry, not 15.40, but 14. Okay, go, gold there. Where is gold? Need to realign the levels. 1470. Yes. Here we go. So this is it, guys. Again, for all of you who join a little bit later, I'm very proud on my personal record, trading the account from 10 to 50,000. This is the best result I've had so far, and a very good result, 400% gain from December 2018. Well, guys, I'm very, very proud of it. And Camarilla MACD, when new website launches, Camarilla MACD will go up in price. It won't be available for this price anymore. So this is it. I hope that you enjoyed. I will roll the slides now, guys. So I hope that you enjoy these trading ideas straight from Camarilla MACD. And I hope that you will also become members of ECS Live. Okay, so this is it for now. Always, again, guys, always add a spread to stop loss and 10 to 15 pip buffer to the both side. So let's say the sell is, the buy is 107.60. You can buy it 107.45 or eventually 75, depending where the price will make a signal. These are the zones. Wait for a signal in the zone. Thank you for listening. I wish you a great trading day ahead and talk to you soon. Cheers. Trade safe.